So hi guys, this is my first unboxing video, and in this particular video I'm going to be unboxing a USB-C docking station provided by Novoo. So I got it from Amazon today, and thanks to their excellent delivery I got it a day early. So let's start by unwrapping this packet that I got from it. This is gonna take a while, but yeah, there we are. And this is a 9-port hub. So basically it connects 2 HDMIs, 1 LAN, and okay, let's see what's inside it. Alright, let's open it up. And yeah, here, oh, this is tight packing, but it's okay. Let's see. Okay, so I needed this because I have a MacBook Pro and it does not connect to the things like my hard drive, to a LAN cable, and if I need to connect to an extra monitor or two, then I need to remove the charger or do things like that. So I don't want to do that. So which is why I got this, and here it is. So wow, it has two USB 3.0 ports this side, another USB 3.0 port here. Here it is a C type, 2 memory card connectors, 1 LAN connector, and 1 VGA connector, and 1 HDMI connector. My, that is nice. Okay, so let's start and get this connected to my MacBook here. And yeah, and now I'm going to connect my hard drive to this and let's see if it works at all. Alright, so my hard drive is connected here. Now let's go to Finder and see what we have got. The hard drive seems to be working, so let's load the Finder, and well, can't see anything. What it could be. Alright, doesn't seem to work. Let me check what happened. Alright guys, so thanks to a bit of googling, I looked at the disk utility tool. I didn't know it worked, so I loaded it here, and now I have my hard disk here on Finder. I can easily access anything inside it, and yeah, it's loading. Okay, amazing. So yeah, now what I can do is I can try connecting my charger directly to the C type port that I have here. Yes, it works. Perfect. So that means it can use multiple devices together as well, and that basically solves my problem. So I'll keep on connecting more and more devices now, and this 9-in-1 hub works perfectly fine for me. So thank you guys for watching this video. As I told you, this is my first video. I would love any feedbacks that you have for me. Also, if you like this video, please hit subscribe because I would need a lot of them. So thank you. Bye-bye.